What's up? It's your girl QTP, and welcome back to the Queen Palace. For today, we're doing makeup. I want to make a glamorous, elegant look. Still bold, but less color, more like natural colors, more soft colors, and bold. Let's get right into it. Let's do our brows. So I like to really stay focused and don't want to do too much talking during my video, so you all can just watch. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, but just watch. I'm just gonna play some soft background music and do my thing. Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I, didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows almost doesn't count. Almost heard you saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. But you can't get to heaven, half off the ground. Everybody knows almost doesn't count. I can't keep on. I purchased this from Amazon. It's the Tropical Palette. I'm going into my white, and I'm patting it down like that. I want it big. See that? It's crisp. But keep in mind, I did say highlighter. See, it's stamped in. And now we're going into brown. This is the Tri Element 15 eyeshadow palette by Dia Inoue, J-Cats. It has a brown powder. Let's lay that down. Let's take it all the way down. This color right here, like a dark gold. That's what it is. We'll go on top of that white just to blend it. This gold ain't really popping. Go into my kaleidoscope. So they do have a clarity, like a yellow gold. Okay. It's a creamy. Oh, that's beautiful. Heartbreaker right here. Keep in mind, we have more space now, don't we? Yup. So usually I start right there, but we're going up now. I just realized I have more space. We have more space because we took that brow up. So I'm going back into my clarity. Up. We're transitioning to that color beside it, but we're going higher up. Now, just because we're going higher up, we still have to make sure we are blending. So I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, and I am weakening it. The hurricane was too strong. Okay. In a circular motion like so. We're having fun, so we're smiling. Caught in full effect, and you know why? That's gorgeous, gorgeous. So, white, gold, and like a burgundy color, right? So, get your palette, and those are the colors we are using. If you don't have this palette, that is okay. You know, if you have other palettes, and you know, all colors do not look the same sometimes, but we're not copying QTP. I like that. I kind of like this bowl, like that bowl little look kind of like a cut. I like that. I ain't even gonna hold you. Using this eyelash adhesive from TheQueenPalace. If you want, you can get it from Instagram. DM me at TheQueenPalace_LLC. Ask me for this. I'll see if I have more in stock. And if so, you'll give me your payment along with your email address, and I will ship this to you. Shake it up a little bit. I'm looking at y'all and you look at a mirror. So I'm going to use that little white stamp right there. I know what I'm going to do. This is a very important piece. So I'm going to go back into my kaleidoscope. Go back into Heartbreaker. And Groove. And I'm going to stamp it myself. We'll start light. Okay. Thickening it up. That is the goal. All right, so this is the black liner / adhesive, right? And here is our clear adhesive. Just gonna put it all right there. What we gonna do, Queen? Let it glam. This is why I don't do a bunch of good look. Look at this. Ain't hardly nothing in here. Folks want me to do tutorials. Just like this.
finish it. Can I slide with you? Spend the night with you. Just let me write and you dripping from my signature. I feel like your body inspired my intentions. We left the squad hanging. It's only time with us. You know I vibe different cause you know my mind different. Her eyes say in my room, her body saying heaven on God.
Tell me what you want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go deep, deep. When I fall in love, I go deep, deep. You could copy that like it's easy. You look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin D power.
But I really wanted to go outside and take my pics with like natural lighting, and I made it a little bit. There's still a little light out there, so I was rushing, but I am pleased with the final look. Is it perfect? No, but does it have to be? I don't think so. I think makeup can be slightly different. You want to make it as perfect as you can or as you like, but makeup is art. And I've learned that. You can watch someone and say, wow, that's pretty, and you can try to duplicate it, but sometimes you just can't. You can get real close. I saw something like this online. I was inspired. I wanted to recreate it. It does not look like her work, but it looks like QTP work. And there are people, if you're talented, that's going to want to have your work. You know, don't look at the other chick. Be inspired. Be encouraged to keep going, improve your technique. There are folks out here better than me. There are folks not as great as me, and they have learned a lot from me. So stay in your lane and be the best you can while you can in your lane. But this is my look. I hope you like it. I did review this wig. It's absolutely gorgeous, right? And I was going to wear it yesterday. I pulled this wig out the bag and it was trash. And I looked in the mirror and I said, I'm going to send this back because the shape was different. It was not cute. And so today, after I did my makeup, I said, well, let me put a wig on real fast. And I grabbed this wig just to see because I was seriously going to go back and return this. And some way, somehow, honey, it came back to life. So what I'm going to say is, out the bag, it's beautiful, but make sure that when you put it back in the bag, because I do remember I didn't put it in neatly. I thought, okay, it'll just come back. One piece was real longer than the other, a little bit bent. It was looking crazy. And then the shape was like out of this world. But now this is like,